So when we got back to Hadrian, we had dinner.
We forget to film our food, we just start eating. So you got noodles with pork, we got some spring rolls which are gone, calamari, and I got chicken cashew with rice.
And after dinner, we came back to our little room, little bungalow, and we just got ready.
Yes, and now we're leaving for the full moon party. But we still need to get some cash first. Hopefully we find a place, because on our way here, we saw a few ATM and they either didn't have cash or didn't work, so...
And it doesn't surprise us, because we saw a lot of taxis arriving while we were waiting for food.
Yes,
literally
a lot of people
packed,
here right now.
Literally hanging on the outside. Right,
We found cash.
money out, let's go spend it.
We are rich.
First mission?
Get some body painting.
Face painting done.
Spend a lot of money, but
Now I got the sun. Now I got a dream catcher. I don't know how much you can hear. Probably not going to hear a lot from now on. Luckily, because we're staying 5 minutes away from where the action happened, we're just gonna go home for a week, because we have to pay 20 baht to go to the toilet.
Places, yeah. I mean, we didn't check if there was any place for free, but...
Most people just go...
When you drink these...
No, louder. There is one place that's free. The sea.
Yes.
We saw lots of people going to...
Men.
Yeah, men.
But
well,
when you drink
I don't think they're men.
You need to go to the toilet.
The only issue is that we also have to walk through some of the water, so we probably have to probably should take a shower when we get home later.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay, right, get out of the way.
Sergio is going crazy. He's gonna have Thai whiskey. I went to the toilet in someone's room around here, and they said like, come here to my room, use my toilet. And they gave me this. They're Thai people who came here for the full moon party, the first full moon party, and they had a lot of fun. But they're too drunk to come back, so they're going to sleep, and they let me use the bathroom in their room.
So basically, they're burning the sign that we literally just took a photo of. And someone's... Whoa! Whoa! Good morning. We are a little bit fragile today, but we are leaving now. Hadrian, thank you Hadrian, it's been very nice.
Well, we barely spent the time here, but yeah.
Yeah, exactly, that was about last night. Now we're gonna go check out. So that was the cheapest taxi so far.
Yeah, but it was packed.
They have to make their money somewhere. Now we're gonna stop for some food.
What do you eat when you're hungover?
English food.
We just saw someone walking without shoes. Apparently it's a thing that happens after the full moon party. But he just found a shop with shoes, so it's gonna be fine. And we had some food, which made us feel better, right?
Yeah.
And now we're going to the place where we're staying for one night to be closer to the pier, because we're leaving tomorrow morning quite early. And where we were staying was a bit of a drive to get there. Look how beautiful the way there off the main road. We're at the beach. We're staying in the beach. We're sleeping here, down there somewhere.
And we are checked in. I mean, you didn't even have to check
No,
our...
we didn't check our name.
But
There's aircon. There's not a fan.
We've been sleeping in a bedroom with a fan. So this is like, yeah, they're using like the sofa top. Like, it looks like a sofa, the headrest. It's got a little desk. It has
It's good
aircon,
for like people come to work.
little mirror, and then it's got a little closet, a fridge, sink, and bathroom. It's how much did we pay for this? Actually, we just checked. It's £17, but I mean, it's not much different. And we have a sea view. And here we are. It's a little bit cloudy today, so this is where we're actually staying. Now we're just gonna go for a swim because that water looks very inviting right now. Yes, we have come home to drop off our stuff. This is such a chill place. I was flying the drone and it was like, it's a quiet drone and you could hear it even like way up in the sky, which is, it's quite nice that it's this quiet because we needed to recharge batteries. We've been traveling a lot the last 3 days, and today we need to kind of recover as well from the party yesterday.
Feeling better now.
Yeah, I am feeling better. So we want to go get some more food now, and hopefully maybe we'll get a massage after. We don't seem to be eating at like the normal times. It's kind of just when it fits in with our schedule. And we now are going to this little sandbar that we saw in the distance while we were sunbathing earlier on, and we're going to go explore. Why not? You have a new friend joining us for the trip.
We tried to come, you see, the other side of the beach, but it's not nice as before. Sand is, well, it's very little rocks, which it's not helping because I have a cut in my foot and it's hurting me. So we're gonna go back to where we were, which was nicer.
Okay, Laura's not having a good time. Hello, so now we are back in our room, got ready to go out because we want to visit the Tongsala night market. We're here, let's go. So Laura's gone to get some drink for us, and I have some food. I have 4 bits of think 2 spring rolls and 1 prawn stick and a chicken stick, I think. And it was all for £1, which is insanely cheap. So they completely missed Laura's order, so she didn't actually eat anything.
It's okay, I did eat that, and these filled me up a lot. I'm not that hungry, but I'm gonna get the pancake now.
I'm gonna have to get one now as well, aren't I? You know that?
No.
Okay, we can share one.
Yes.
You can eat most of it. What is that?
It's a banana roti pancake. Banana pancake roti.
Let's try it, shall we?
Come on.
Try it.
It's gonna be hot.
How is it?
Super sweet.
Super sweet.
Good.
I quite like it, it's quite nice. It's basically like
It's almost gone.
it's a pancake like filled with banana, and then they just put like Nutella on top. Laura, what were your
Really
thoughts?
nice market. Should come to have some food, not just from like there's not just local food. There's also like food from all over. Like there's Italian, there's Greek, there's Indian, there's all types of food. So it's a really good place for some cheap food.
And it's a great place if you want to just try different foods out, because you
This
can
beeping is a taxi asking us if you want a taxi.
Yeah. You basically, if you're walking along one of the roads, taxis will just beep at you. I mean, we're kind of used to it by now.
So that was Koh Phangan for you, and we are now already in Koh Tao. We took a ferry this morning, and we're just having some food before we go to our next place where we're staying. We hope you enjoyed Koh Phangan, and if you want to watch more of vlogs in Thailand, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like if you like this video, and our next video should be in Koh Tao. Bye!